Happy New Year, Lighthouse for Life family, and welcome to 2024. How cool is it that God gives us chances to regroup and refresh with fresh starts? Because it's certainly not just our survivors that need that. But let me tell you that you guys helped us to finish 2023 in an amazing way. We were totally blown away by the generosity and the support of our community as we brought in almost $150,000 in the month of December, which really set us up to start 2024 in a neat way. First of all, $50,000 of that is going to be set aside, designated for Caris Home, because our goal this year is to see that property open and once again serving the youth in our communities. Another $50,000 of that went to help us knock out the remaining cost of our harbor campaign and get that project also completed so that we can maximize the services of our survivor support to the community. So thanks to you, we have been able to keep that ball rolling, and we hope that in the next couple months that project will be completely wrapped up. But let me tell you, entering into January of 2024, I still have 2 asks for you for this month, okay? Are you ready? The first one is really easy. Simply wear blue. And I know you have blue in your wardrobe. Everybody has blue somewhere, and blue looks good on everybody. It doesn't matter what shade. But this Thursday in particular is National Anti-Human Trafficking Awareness Day. And just by wearing blue, you get to stand hand in hand and side by thousands across the nation in solidarity to say that we are against human trafficking. We are for the freedom of those that we love and our community members, and we are not going to tolerate human trafficking. So wear blue this Thursday, okay? January 11th. The second thing is today is when our legislative session opens again for 2024. We really need you to help us to come alongside and pray for our legislators and pray for their families, pray protection, for wisdom, for direction, and that the right laws will be passed, and in particular, laws that are going to fight for those that are being victims of human trafficking and to prevent others from being victimized by human trafficking. In the next couple of days, you should get a very specific email from us that will have some handouts that you can print that will help you understand some of these laws more, that will give you the step-by-step instructions of how to reach out to your legislators, because remember, they represent you. They are representing your voice and your thoughts and your desires for what we want the state of South Carolina to be like. And we do not want human trafficking in the state of South Carolina. We do not want our kids to be targeted through their devices that we have to use in a technology world. We do not want people to be thinking that it is okay to purchase another human being. This is not the state that we want to live by. So we need you to join us and to support our legislators in order to get the right laws passed this year. So as we enter into 2024, we look forward to walking this journey with you. We are so encouraged by your support and your partnership in many, many ways, from the finances to the notes of encouragement to the prayers. We feel your prayer support. We know we're not alone, and that gives us a lot of strength to every day to get up and to once again continue this fight on behalf of our communities. Thank you.